Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to transfer your BUSD from Uphold to Robinhood. Don't worry, it's straightforward once you know the steps. I'm here to guide you through it quickly and easily, so you can get back to trading or investing without any hassle. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and Robinhood. You'll need some BUSD in your Uphold wallet to start. Oh, and always double check for any platform updates in 2025, as crypto rules can change. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to your dashboard and locate the BUSD wallet. It should be under your Assets or Portfolio section, easy peasy. Next, select the BUSD you want to send. Click on the Send or Withdraw option. Now, you'll need the Robinhood wallet address. Hop over to your Robinhood app or website, go to your crypto section, and copy the BUSD wallet address. Pro tip: double-check this address to avoid any costly mistakes. Back in Uphold, paste that Robinhood address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of BUSD you want to transfer, and review the transaction details, including any fees. In 2025, fees might be lower due to advancements, but always confirm. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction, probably with two-factor authentication for security. Sit tight while it processes. Transfers usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, jump back to Robinhood and refresh your account. Your BUSD should appear in your wallet. Awesome job! If you run into any issues, reach out to customer support on either platform. That's it for today's quick guide. Transferring crypto doesn't have to be scary. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.